going to do a Concertina Sketchbook, how to make your own, from some loose sheets of watercolour paper. So I've got 2 A3 sheets here of the Winslow Aquarelle, and that's 300 GSM, and that's the size in metric, so I think it's about 12 inches by 18 inches. Okay, so that's what I'm using. And I've just torn off 2 sheets. You're going to need a pencil, a steel ruler, some kind of cutting device. So I'm using a blade, but you could also use scissors. And we'll need some masking tape to stick the sheets together. And I always cut on a self-healing mat. So a cutting mat is going to be important to have. This is what we're going to do. We're going to make one of these. So this is from a single sheet. So the one that I'm going to make today is double this, because I'm going to be using 2 sheets. So it's really simple. We just cut the sheets in half lengthways and then fold and fold. So I'll quickly run through that process now. So I've actually got the smoother side on this side and slightly more textured side, so I want to match that. And I also forgot to mention, if you've got a bone to do the creasing, that's great, but I just use this plastic pen to do the same job. Okay, so we've now got our 4, and the job now is to tape them together like I've done here and increase the length of our concertina book. So just making sure that we get the run of the paper so it's the same texture together. So this is the smoother side, so I've made all the smoother sides face me so that when I come to do this process, and that's all we're going to do is just put run tape down there, and I'm using just painter's masking tape, which we will paint over. And I just flip it over so I can get it hard up against the next sheet and get it nice and neat, and then rub that down with my fingers. And I'll tidy these up. I just cut these off. So good to have a pair of scissors. And then just giving that a rub. Make sure there's a great seal there. Okay, next one. And then we're done. And that's our concertina book ready to go.